Hi, my name is Ken, manager at Deery Collision Center in Maquoketa, Iowa. One of the benefits of using our facility are our technicians. Our technicians have over 65 years of combined auto body experience. They are certified in I-CAR training and factory certifications. Some of the also benefits that we have are a rental service, shuttle service. We also work with all insurance companies for your insurance needs. Let's go out in the shop and take a look at what we can offer you. Here we are in our state-of-the-art facility where our expert technicians do the repairs on your car. We are proud to use waterborne paint products which have lower emissions and are much easier on the environment. In conjunction with our bake cycle paint booth, we can bring your car back to pre-crash condition. I would like to also refer back to the insurance companies. We deal with all insurance companies. We do work for you, not the insurance company. Please refer to the number listed and give us a call. I can answer any questions that you need about your car. Thank you for taking time to check out Deery Collision Center.